Hey there! Noticed your hit marker isn't popping up since the latest Warzone Mobile update on your iPhone? No worries! In this guide, I'll walk you through 2 easy fixes to get it back. So let's dive in without wasting any time. Solution 1. Turn on the hit marker. First things first, open Warzone Mobile on your iPhone. Then tap on the gear icon from the top right corner of the screen to bring up the settings menu. Next, navigate to Controls. Now, switch to the Interface tab. From here, turn on Hitmarker Display. Then set Hitmarker Transparency to 1.0. And there you have it. Now check if the issue is fixed. Solution 2. Offload Warzone Mobile. To begin, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now, scroll down until you see OD Warzone, then tap on it. Next, tap on the Offload app button. Then, tap on Offload app. And it will be offloaded. Now just tap on Reinstall app and Warzone will begin reinstalling. Once finished, you should see the hit marker show up again. So that's how you fix the Hitmarker Not Showing glitch in Warzone Mobile on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Have any questions? Feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for tuning in.